But it's just the upstairs.
Yeah.
Okay. Which way is your thermostat, ma'am?
Huh?
Which way is your thermostat?
Left. End of the hallway there.
Okay. Let's see what we got here.
Yeah, my daughter and I decided that we were going to sleep downstairs.
Sleep downstairs, huh?
The cooler. Cooler's black.
No, your pool. Oh, this. Your
Pool
pool, you mean?
Pool equipment's broken too.
So you got 3 units, huh?
Yeah, I think it's this long. I don't know. I think it's a small one.
Board's been replaced. Blown fuses all over the place. I bet you I know what that culprit is. I bet you I know. That fuse isn't blown. That's common. Okay, 24 there. 24 there. 24 there. Okay, so 24 volts there. It's good. Almost certain this capacitor is dead. Yeah. Oh yeah. Bada bing. Oh wow. This is what's blowing that fuse up there. This contactor. I already know that run cap's bad. These wires right here are kind of like. See if she wants all this fixed or not. All right. Let me just check this cap. It's a 50/5. This thing's probably totally just cached. Dead there. Dead there. But let's check this contactor out too. Oh, come on, man. I know this thing's fucked. Left my pliers up top. Okay. Careful, you don't want to touch those 2 wires together. Oh man, that's no good. It's no good. Okay, so this probably shorted that thermostat. So thermostat, cap, contactor. Clean this up. See where we're at. Let's see here if that fan even comes on. I need a 55/5. 55.5. Hot. So I got the contactor capacitor. That fan motor was hot, so hopefully that thing doesn't become an issue. I need those zip ties. I'm gonna replace that thermostat too, and I think that's all I need. I'm gonna need a piece of thermostat wire. Some Wagos. Piping hot. I think it's just because it was sitting there trying to run. So let's see here. We're gonna go with fan. Herm. Just want to see if this fan motor comes on. And I'll clean all this up. If that's the case, we'll be in good shape. Okay, we're good there. Get all this cleaned up, changed out. We'll be good. Ooh, it's hot. This contactor out of here. You can see that contactor's cooked, man. Cooked. Smoked. Smoky. That's why they kept blowing fuses up there, man. That's why they kept blowing fuses up there. Come on, man. I don't know if you can really see that, man. That is cooked. That is cooked. Oh. Get a little tag. Contactors go bad too, and there's no cap on there. Ants climb inside there and short it out. So, let's get this new one in here. There's another cover on it. Okay. Get back and help out Smokey. Go. Comment. Hot. Hot. Make sure these are tight. That in there. Put the wrong thermostat up there. I wired it for a heat pump. Whoever was here, they looked at that, thought that was upstairs, and it was wrong. Low voltage. Low voltage. Okay. Now, let me make sure this thing's gonna fire up and run. Ooh, look at this, huh? Cat fell, the wire fell right off of there. All right, let me go change this thermostat out. See if this thing's gonna run. Moment of truth. Oh, still have to cut that wire out of there. All right. Get this all cleaned up. We're done. I'm not going to replace this Armor Flex, man. It's still covering the suction line. I'm just going to leave it, but I am going to replace this. Oops, not using that one. Way goes. Much better than wire nuts. Let's go see what we got. 20 by 20 by 1. Changing 23. All right. Better to have a dirty one than not have one at all. All right. I think you're gonna be all right. So I replaced this wire that was all chewed up. Okay. Everything in there is brand new. Luckily the fan was just hot because it kept trying to run. So I put a new capacitor in there. Your fan's good. Checked all the amp draws. Only thing I suggest is you change all your filters. All your filters inside. Yeah. That's a big factor too, is why your system struggles, is air filters. So you have one here.
Okay.
That one's bad too. That's a 20.
Numbers or something?
Yeah.
Like,
If you come right here where I'm standing, you'll see 20 by 20 by 1. This is a 20 by 20 by 1. And then I'm assuming you have one up here in your loft
okay.
as well. Can I go up here?
Yeah. Just do that for the dogs. Not that they don't just bump it.
Right here. And this is how these open up. This is a 16 by 30 by 1.
All right.
When you replace these, ma'am, make sure there's an arrow on here, right here. There's an arrow. See that arrow?
Yeah.
Goes in, okay? Don't go buy no super expensive filters.
ECNF?
Yeah, you can get MERV 7 or MERV 8, yeah. The cheap ones give you better airflow. Just gotta change them more often.
Okay.
How many dogs do you have? 2 dogs, change it every 2 months.
You can leave it.
Okay, every 2 months, okay?
Okay.
And you should be good, all right?
Yeah, I haven't replaced this since I moved, so.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you have a new thermostat, capacitor, contactor. I redid all that wiring out there, and yeah, you should be good.